5 hospitals in the southern region all over capacity with COVID-19 patients. But over the past 24 hours, Regional Director of the Southern Regional Health Authority, Michael Bent, says there's been a slight decline in COVID admissions at all the facilities. In Manchester, the Mandeville Regional Hospital now has 81 COVID-positive patients, down from 100 on Thursday. Percy Jr. has 32. In Clarendon, there are now 64 COVID admissions at the Mapen Hospital, 18 at Lionel Town, and 46 at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth. But the facilities are still struggling to accommodate COVID-positive patients. However, 40 more bed spaces will become available when the field hospital at Mapen Hospital is complete.
The installation of the tents will be completed by next week, Friday the 10th. So once those are up, then we should be able to start using it. We are constructing some permanent bathroom facilities, but that will not stop us from putting in temporary bathroom facilities, if needs be, so that we can use that facility down at the Mapen Hospital. So that is in terms of the field hospital. That is a 40-bed capacity.
Meanwhile, the Mandeville Regional Hospital will soon have more space for COVID patients once the relocation of its outpatient department to the Mandeville Seventh-day Adventist Church is complete.
Our proposal is to move to that location this weekend and for the location to be open and available for the public on Wednesday of next week.
Mr. Ben says the medical oxygen supply is monitored every 2 hours and
all the facilities would have sufficient oxygen that would take them today, tomorrow, and possibly in some cases even to Monday, based on our current demand. But we monitor and we have strategy where we order, and if we have to pull oxygen from one place to another, but we do that.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.